Good morning, children. Yesterday we learned number names. Today I am going to teach about numbers beyond 100. Okay? Here given some boxes. Each box contains one. Here how many boxes count now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes given. That means 10 box. Each box contains one. 2 boxes contain 2 ones. Like that. 3 boxes contain 3 ones. Given here 10 boxes. 10 boxes contains 10 ones. 10 ones. 10 ones make a like this one sheet. Like this. 10 ones make a like this sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones equal to 110. This one sheet contains 110. Like that I draw here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. 9 tens means 90. 9 tens. Here each sheet contains 110. 110, 2 tens, 3 tens. Like this. 3 sheets contain 3 tens. 4 sheets contains 4 tens. Like that. Totally 9 sheets here. Like that 9 sheets contains 9 tens. Okay. Here given boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One box contains one. Here how many here? 9. 9 boxes contain 9 ones. Totally 9 tens plus 9 ones. That means 99. That means 99. Here see Nana. Add to 1, 99. What we get? 100. What we get? 100. 9. 1 add to 99. 100. See like this given here. 9 tens. That means 90. 9 tens means 90. This totally 9 tens. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each sheet contains 1 ten. 2 sheets contain 2 tens. Like that. How many sheets here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sheets contains 9 tens. Here see Nana. This is the one box contain 1. 2 box contain 2 1. Like that 9 ones. 9 ones. This totally we have 99. 99. Add here 1. 99 plus 1. Okay? This total see here 9 ones plus 1. Make a one sheet like this. One sheet. See? This first sheet. This is the second sheet. Like that up to here 9 sheets. This totally 10 ones equal to 110. 10 ones equal to 110. Here how many sheets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 sheets. 10 sheets might make it like this. Totally 100 boxes. Totally 100 boxes. See? 9, 10, 10. 10 tens. 10 tens equal to 100. 10 tens equal to 100. Understood, Nana? Each box contains 1. 2 box contains 2 ones. Like that. Totally 10 boxes given. 10 boxes contains 10 ones. 10 ones make a 110. This totally one sheet contains 110. Like that given 9 sheets. Each sheet contains 110. 2 sheets contain 210. Like that 9 sheets contain 910. That means 90. Here 9. Each box contains 1. 9 boxes. So 9. Totally here 99. Now when adding here 1. Add to 99. No. Add to 1 here. 9 times 9. This totally 99. When they add here 1 box, that means 9 ones plus 1 1 that equal to 1 sheet. Just make it 1 sheet like this. Totally here 10 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens. 10 tens equal to 100. Like this make it. 1 sheet total. Here 10 boxes. Okay, understood Nana? Okay. Today now how to write the numbers. Already you learned 1 to 100 how to write the number names also. Now start the 101 from 101 to 200. 101 to 200. Write the number from 101 to 200. One, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The numbers, write the numbers from 101 to 200. Already you learned 1 to 100. First now 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. See Nana, here numbers are increasing, only 1 1. Here 101, 101. This is the ones place, this times hundreds. In the tens place and hundred place, same number, same digits. 1010. Only change the ones place. When they add the 1 in the ones place, 1 plus 1 is the, this one is the 2. So here next number is the 2. See, same. Tens place and hundred place is the same. Here when the add to, when the 1 add to 2, 1, that means 2 plus 1 that equal to 3. Like that. 1 number is the here increasing. Here increasing. Here up to 110 is the whole. Next number is the 111, 112, 113, 114. This is the next number. 115. See now, 116. Here, tens place, hundred place, no change here. Only ones place changing here. See, after 6 is the 7. So, 117. 118, 119, 120. After 120 is the 121, 122, 123. Next number is the 124, 125. You see the same. Tens place, 100 place. Not change the tens place and 100 place. Only changing here ones place. Increasing 1 1. 126, 127, 128, 129. The last number 130. Next number is the 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. Next number is the 136, 137, 138. The next number is the 139. After 139 is the 140. Okay. Next to 141, 142, 143, 144. After 144, what we will get? 145. After 145 is the 146, 147. Next number is the 148, 149. The next number is the 150. Okay. Next to 151, 152, 153, 154. After 154 is the 155, 156. What is the next number? 157, 158, 159. After 159 is the 160. Okay? The next number is the 161, 162. After 162, 163, 164, 165, 166. Next number is the 167, 168, 169. After 169 is the 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177. What is the next number? 178, 179. After 179, what will get? 180. Okay. Next number is the 181, 182, 183, 184. The next number is the 185, 186, 187, 188. Okay. After 189. After 189 is the 190, 191, 192, 193, 194. The next number is the 195, 196, 197. The next number is the 198. Here 199. After 199 is the 200. Once again listen, Nana. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Okay, Nana? Learn this. Practice, Nana. Okay. Next to how to write the numbers in after numbers. write the next 5 numbers. Write the next 5 numbers. Already you learn how to 1 to 200. Same like this, how to write the numbers. Okay? 306. This is the 306. What is the next number? Here 6 is the ones two. Don't change here. Tens place and 100 place. See here, ones place only changing. 6. When they add the 1 plus 6 is the 7. So next number is the 307. Next number is the same like that. See here, don't change here. Tens place and 100 place. Only changing here ones place. When they add the 1 to 7, 1 plus 7 is the 8. So next number is the 308. Next same like that. After 8 is the 9. So 309. Next number is the 310. Next number is the 311. Asking only 5 numbers. Okay. Next number is the 497. Here after 497 is the same as 498. Next number is the 499. After 499 is the 500. Next number is the 501, 502. Like that. Third problem is the 515. 515. See Nana? 515. What is after 515? 516. After 516 is the 517. Next number is the 518. 519. Here 520. Okay? Understood Nana how to write the next number? Okay? Give one more three numbers. You write. After next number 5 numbers you only write. Here this is your homework. Okay? Bye children.